Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dwayne Singh, and for short, you can call me Dwayne. In today's video, I am reviewing Nautica Voyage N83. This fragrance was released in 2013 by the House of Nautica. This fragrance also marketed aquatic fresh fragrance for men. Here is the bottle, beautiful bottle. This fragrance is one of my go-to fragrance. I usually wear when I'm hanging around the house, working out at the gym. I usually wear this to work. You can also wear to school, beach, springtime, summertime, whatever the occasion, this fragrance have your back. This fragrance is beautiful and clean, which open with blast of sea note, giving it an oceanic, salty, like cool breeze. You know, like when you're walking on the beach and that sea breeze just hit you in your face. Sea note combined with spicy, mint, and petitgrain to help create this unique scent, which is less similar to the OG Nautica Voyage. What that means is that Nautica Voyage and N83, they are totally different. Nautica N83 have its own unique smell. So guys, the middle note help to rounded the fragrance with spicy, sweet nutmeg, cardamom, and soapy lavender. So guys, the dry down is musky and woody with notes of wild musk, creamy sandalwood, and cedar, making the fragrance masculine, or you can say manly. Nautica Voyage N83, this fragrance is not a beast mode fragrance. The performance is very moderate. For projection, you'll get between 1 to 1.5 hours, and after that it turns into a skin scent. For longevity, this fragrance will give you 5 to 6 hours. Based upon your skin chemistry, some person might get a longer performance, some person might get less. Overall, this fragrance the scent is very pleasant and it is very cheap. You're talking like 15 to 18 USD dollars. I personally recommend this fragrance of any guy looking for a cheap fragrance that can do the job. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe if you choose to do so, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.